The company Extra-Cell is a premier medical product supplier that provides a range of new and innovative medical devices targeting physiotherapy, rehabilitation, athletic performance, and clinical institutions. Physiotherapeutic devices of their own design are manufactured and distributed to medical professionals around the globe. Located near Freiburg, Germany, Extra-Cell is the sole provider of ZRT Matrix Therapy, a new and unique form of cell biological regulation therapy which is extremely effective on various kinds of acute and chronic pain. In a one-year clinical study in Germany which was validated by the German testing and certification company TÜV Süd, over 400 patients experienced no contraindications or side effects when undergoing ZRT Matrix Therapy. The treatments are pain-free and are easy both for the therapist to administer and the patients to receive. Most importantly, patients report fast relief of many types of conditions and joint issues, including foot pain, backaches, leg and knee problems, as well as muscle hardening and virtually all types of sports injuries. The therapy addresses the extracellular space between capillaries and the cells themselves. Unlike most therapies, which treat either the cells or focus on capillary blood flow, ZRT Matrix Therapy targets the area which surrounds the cell and is responsible for both the nutritional supply and waste disposal to and from the cell. In order to function properly, this extracellular space, which accounts for 30% of the body, should be freely flowing liquid, but when a patient is experiencing pain, it becomes stiff and gel-like. Practitioners use devices manufactured by Extra-Cell to administer ZRT Matrix Therapy. The biomechanical stimulation resulting from the therapy causes the muscles to tremble. These vibrations enable the body to regulate the cell milieu system, the extracellular space between cell and capillary, providing fast relief and recovery to the patient. This groundbreaking procedure does not irritate the patient's already painful problem area. Rather, it targets the zone around this area so that the body can heal itself without the patient experiencing extra, unnecessary discomfort. Founder of ZRT Matrix Therapy, Dr. Bernhard Dickreiter.
Die Entscheidung ist wichtig. Was möchte ich? Eine Symptombehandlung oder eine Ursache?
It's an important decision. Treat the symptom or treat the root cause. Cell biological regulation therapy focuses specifically on the cause. It strengthens the body's innate ability to heal itself, which results in the patient being both free of complaints and having improved functional capabilities in the long term.
Funktionsfähigkeit wiederherstellen.
Many popular therapies require months and sometimes years of application. ZRT Matrix Therapy is usually effective after only 6 to 9 treatments, making it exceptionally cost-effective. Each treatment generally lasts between 10 to 30 minutes, with patients often reporting immediate improvement. Extra-Cell offers a battery-powered handheld unit for use in remote locations, providing the opportunity to biomechanically stimulate muscles at sporting events and in other time-sensitive situations. Internationally renowned sports figures such as soccer star David Odonkor, as well as soccer teams such as TSG Hoffenheim and VfB Stuttgart, have all benefited from the exceptional healing, regenerative, and performance-optimizing properties of ZRT Matrix Therapy. Following biomechanical stimulation treatments, many patients benefit from water-filtered infrared irradiation, an effective and gentle water filtration heat source which provides targeted warmth, facilitating greater fluidity in the extracellular space and even faster healing and pain relief. Already in use throughout Germany as well as internationally, Extra-Cell manufactures patented biomechanical stimulation devices and offers specialized ZRT Matrix Therapy training to doctors, physiotherapists, acupuncturists, and healing practitioners so they can offer their patients cutting-edge treatments that provide gentle, fast, effective pain relief with no side effects.